Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write an application to the bank for a refund of money. This letter is a formal request to address an incorrect transaction, unauthorized deduction, or failed payment, ensuring that your funds are returned. You need to include your full name, address, city, postal code, contact number, email address, and the date at the top of your letter. Address the letter to the branch manager of your bank, mentioning the bank's name, branch address, and location. Use a clear and concise subject line, such as request for refund of incorrectly debited amount, to highlight the purpose of your request. Begin your letter with a formal salutation, such as Dear Sir Madam, to maintain professionalism. After that, write, I am writing to formally request a refund for an incorrect transaction that occurred on my bank account. Your account number, on transaction date. An amount of incorrect debit amount was deducted mistakenly due to mention reason, e.g., duplicate transaction, failed transaction, unauthorized deduction. I have attached the transaction details and relevant supporting documents for your reference. I kindly request you to review the matter and initiate the refund at the earliest. Please update me on the status of my request via email or phone. Your prompt assistance in resolving this issue will be highly appreciated. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample application for a refund of an incorrectly debited amount. This letter clearly explains the transaction issue, provides necessary details, and requests a prompt resolution from the bank. By following this format step by step, you can create a professional and effective request that increases the chances of a successful refund. A well-structured application helps the bank process your request efficiently and ensures that your concerns are addressed. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing formal applications.